Top 5 answers on the board. Name a kind of professional you might not want anyone to know you paid to see.
Comedian?
A comedian.
An escort?
My man. An escort. Pass the play. Yeah. Name a kind of professional you might not want anybody to know you paid to see.
A plastic surgeon.
A plastic surgeon. Hey, Nathan, kind of professional you might not want nobody to know you paid to see.
A drag queen.
I'll tell everybody.
Good answer. Good answer.
A good answer.
Pay to see the drag queen. That's your son-in-law down there.
And I love him.
And you love him?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Name a kind of professional you might not want anybody to know you paid to see.
I'm gonna go with a psychic.
A psychic. All right, we got 2 strikes. We got to be careful now, Addie. The other family can steal.
A stripper.
A stripper. Well, Tyler, I know she took your other answer, so you got 2 strikes. You got to be careful. I'll give you a minute to think of something else. Name a kind of professional you might not want nobody to know you paid to see.
A shrink.
A shrink. One answer left, you can clear the board, but again, you got 2 strikes, they can steal. Name a professional you might not want anybody to know you paid to see.
A personal trainer?
Good answer. A personal trainer. Name a kind of professional you might not want anybody to know you paid to see.
Drug dealer.
Good answer?
Drug dealer.